Hi there, I'm going to talk a little bit about modeling today, quadratic modeling. Find the equation of a parabola with a vertex at 3, -8 that passes through the point 7, 12. General form, or graphing form, y equals a x minus h squared plus k. We have four variables here. We have x and we have y. That is a point. We have hk. That is a point. It is a specific point. The vertex. And we also have an a value that gives the parabola its shape. So looking up here, I see that I have been given a vertex at 3, -8. That is my h value, and that is my k value. I have a point, an x value, and a y value. I can plug these four variables in, and I can solve for a to get its shape. Y equals a x minus h squared plus k. 12 equals a times 4 squared minus 8. 4 squared is 16, so 12 equals 16a minus 8. We can add a to both sides of this equation, getting 20 equals 16a. Divide both sides by 16. A equals 20 over 16, which reduces, they are both even, chop them in half. 10 over 8, still both even. 5 over 4. 5 over 4 gives our parabola shape. Now we can rewrite the equation with my a value plugged in and also my vertex plugged in. Y equals 5/4 x minus h squared plus k. That is the equation of the parabola passing through the point 7, 12 with vertex 3, -8. Let's take a look at another problem. A water fountain has a spray with height of 8 inches and a width of 15 inches. Find the equation of this parabola. There is my fountain starting at 0, 0. What they mean by width, it covers a distance. We should probably work with that wording a little bit. I understand what they're asking for. You may not. So my water fountain sprays like this, and it ends up landing right there. It covers the distance of 15 inches. If you start at the point 0, 0, that would be 15, 0. And it reaches a maximum height of 8 inches. Y represents height, so if I were to find my vertex, the height coordinate, the y coordinate, would be 8. Then we need to figure out exactly what the distance is halfway across. So if I look at the distance from 0 all the way to 15, I need to figure out what half that distance is, and that would be 7.5. Now we have some variables in there. We have an h, we have a k, you have an x, and you also have a y. You could choose this as your x and your y value. So what now happens here is we can plug right in. Y equals a x minus h squared plus k. Let's solve for a. So I plug in y equals a x minus 7.5 squared plus my k value of 8. Okay, 0 equals negative 7.5 squared times a plus 8. Let's get 7.5 squared. So we have 0 equals 56.25a plus 8. Subtract 8 from both sides. 56.25a, divide both sides by that 56.25. Okay, so negative 8 divided by 56.25 gives me, excuse me, 0.142, negative 0.142. A equals negative 0.142 approximately. Now we can rewrite our equation with this information. Y equals negative 0.142. X minus 7.5 squared plus 8.